हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल स्टडी टाइम। और मैं हूं गुरमीत कौर। आज हम पोम करेंगे क्लास 9 की, दैट इज द रोड नॉट टेकन बाय रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट। दिस इज अ फुल एक्सप्लेनेशन along with this summary. So this is Robert Frost who has written this poem. The first stanza here is two roads diverged in a yellow wood and sorry I could not travel both. तो यहाँ पर जब पोएट चल रहा है तो क्या डाइवर्जन आ गई है सामने दो रोड्स की। और येलो वुड्स का मतलब होता है अ फॉरेस्ट विद डिकम्पोजिंग लीव्स। तो क्या कहता है पोएट कि पोएट वाज वॉकिंग डाउन रोड एंड देन देयर वाज अ डाइवर्जन। देयर वर टू डिफरेंट पाथ्स। ठीक है, डाइवर्जन हो गई तो टू डिफरेंट पाथ्स आ गए एंड ही हैड टू चूज वन आउट ऑफ देम। उसको उनमें से एक चूज करना पड़ा। ओके, the poet says that as he was one person, he could travel on one road only. He had to choose one out of these two roads. और yellow woods का मतलब होता है means a forest with leaves which were wearing out and they have turned yellow in color. This autumn season यहाँ पर दिखाया गया है पतझड़ का season. It represents a world is which is full of people where people have been living for many years maybe. So they represent people who are older than the poet. The poet keeps standing there and looked at the path very carefully. ठीक है, तो वो लॉन्ग आई स्टूड लिखा है ना, एंड बी ऑन ट्रेवलर लॉन्ग आई स्टूड, तो वहां पर वो बहुत देर खड़ा रहा. They represent the poet kept standing there and before taking the path he wanted to know, as looked down as one as far as I could. तो वो उसे देख रहा था. He was able to see the path till from where it curved, after which it was covered with trees and was hidden. तो उसकी जहां तक नजर जा रही थी वो उन पाथ को देख रहा था. उसके बाद आगे एक बेंट था और बेंट के बाद लिखा है अंडरग्रोथ, मीन्स वहां पे एक डेंस ग्रोथ ऑफ प्लांट्स एंड बुशेस है, मीन्स अ फॉरेस्ट. ठीक है, तो वहां पर ऐसी सिचुएशन है. He was able to see the path till from where it curved, after which it was covered with trees and was hidden. It happens in our life also. When we have choices, we have alternatives, but we must choose only one of them. We take time to think about the pros and cons, whether it is suitable for us or not, and only then we take a decision on what path we should choose. तो इस तरह से जो पोएट है वो भी यहाँ पर डिसीजन लेने के से पहले अच्छे से एनालाइज कर रहा है. Second stanza, then took the other as just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted wear, though as for that the passing there, and warn them really about the same. तो यहाँ पर जो पोएट वो ये कहना चाहता है, he kept looking at one path for a long time to check if it is right path for him or not. And then he decided on starting walking on another path because he felt that both paths were equally good. Just as fair का मतलब होता है they both were equally good. He says just as fair. So he felt that both the paths were equally good and started walking on one of them. He adds that maybe he felt that the path was better for him, so he chooses it as it had grass on it, which means that it was unused. Grassy का मतलब unused. Not many people had walked on this path. And wanted wear का मतलब होता है that it was not walked over by many people. After he walked on the path for some distance, he realized that both the paths had been worn out the same way. Both the paths were similar and worn out. Even in our life, हमारी लाइफ में भी क्या होता है, we take any one path और option एक तो हम choose करते हैं, but all of them have the same benefits, disadvantages, problem, challenges, और हमें उन सबको face करना पड़ता है. We think that we are choosing a better option, but it is not that way always. Sometimes ऐसा नहीं होता, मतलब कि हर पाथ में आप लाइफ में कैसे भी चले आपको कुछ ना कुछ challenges और problems को तो हमेशा face करना ही पड़ता है. The third stanza here is and both that morning equally lay. अब सुबह की बात हो रही है and in leaves no step and trodden black. Trodden means walked over. Oh, I kept the first for another day, and yet knowing how way leads on to way out, I doubted if I should ever come back. तो यहाँ पर पोएट जो है वो ये कहना चाहता है that both the paths were similar that morning. एक ही जैसे थे. Both had leaves on them and no one had stepped on them as they were still green in color. He decided that day he would take one path and keep the other path for another day. Although he knew that one way leads on to another way, he knew that he could not go back on the choice that he had made. वो दोबारा तो वही नहीं आके वैसी choice बना पाएगा. Similarly, हमारी लाइफ में भी क्या होता है? Once we choose an option, we must keep on moving ahead. अब दोबारा उसी ऑप्शन पे तो नहीं आ पाते. And we never get a chance to come back and take the other option that we had left earlier. जैसे कि अब जनरली आप बच्चों के साथ ही क्या होता है, आप अभी 10th स्टैंडर्ड में जाएंगे, आपको आप ऑप्शंस मिलेंगी, ह्यूमैनिटीज में जाएंगे, कॉमर्स में जाएंगे, साइंस में जाएंगे, आपको एक ही फील्ड लेनी पड़ेगी. आप दोबारा दूसरे दिन के लिए तो दूसरे ऑप्शन नहीं रख सकते, आप दोबारा उस ऑप्शन पे वापस नहीं आ सकते. तो इस तरह से पोएट को भी पता है कि उसने लिखा है ना, आई डाउटेड इफ आई शुड एवर कम बैक. अब वो उस पोजीशन पे दोबारा नहीं आ पाएगा, लेकिन यहाँ पर उसे चॉइस तो बनानी ही पड़ेगी. Fourth one, last stanza. I shall be telling this with a sigh. Sigh means deep breath. Somewhere ages and ages hence. Ages and ages का मतलब होता है long period of. ठीक है, बहुत लंबा टाइम. Two roads diverged in a wood and I took the one less traveled by. उसने दो जो डाइवर्जिंग रोड्स थे उसमें उसने कौन सी ली जो कि कम लोगों ने यूज की थी, है ना. और उसके बाद उसने वो लिया, उसको चूज किया जो कि लेस ट्रेवल्ड बाय पीपल थी, एंड दैट हैज मेड ऑल द डिफरेंस. तो यहाँ पर वो कहना चाहता है कि he says that in the future he will take a deep breath and say that once upon a time he had reached such a point in life that there were two options for him, and he traveled on that road which had been traveled upon by lesser number of people, and thus that decision of his decided his future, क्योंकि उसी decision ने उसके future को decide किया है. Similarly, in future when you grow up, then you will say that once upon a time when you were young, you had two options. The choice that you made you what you become of it. And this is a very strong message for all the students, that you should be wise and be careful while making choices out of the options that you have in your life, because your future depends upon the choice that you make today. तो ये बच्चों के लिए तो बहुत ही ज्यादा उनसे रिलेटेड ये पोएम है. Summary पढ़ लेते हैं इसकी. The Road Not Taken is an autobiographical poem. Once the poet come across a junction when his path diverged into two and he had to take a decision of which road to take. He stood there for a long time and gave a serious thought to each road. उसने decision लेने से पहले ध्यान से देखा है. Then he decided to take the road which was less traveled. The reason for this was that it was grassy and was, as far as the condition of the road was concerned, both the roads were equally worn. बाद में he decided to keep the other road for some other time. ऐसा उसने सोचा, हालांकि उसको पता था, though he knew that he might not be able to go back to that road, वो दोबारा उस जगह पे वापस नहीं आ पाएगा उस ऑप्शन के लिए. The poet says that both paths were similar that morning. He decided to take the less traveled path, left another path for some other's day journey. He knew he could not go back on the choice he had made. He says in future he will take a deep breath and tell his experience that once he had reached such a point in life that there were two options for him, and he traveled on that road which was less traveled, and that had made him a completely different person, क्योंकि उसी ऑप्शन ने जो उसने चूज किया उसने उसके फ्यूचर को डिसाइड किया. The message the poet wants to convey is that the choice we make significantly impact our future. If we make the wrong choice, then we can't go back and correct it. We will have no option other than regretting it. है ना? So we should be wise while making decision or choices in our life. So thank you so much. इसके साथ हमारा ये पोम खत्म होती है. और if you liked it, kindly like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. Thank you.